accumulated cash on Flip and want it on your Cash App. Today I'll show you how to move your earnings from Flip into your bank and then into Cash App. So open the Flip app and go to your earnings dashboard, tap Cash Out and select Bank Transfer. If it's your first payout, you'll link your bank via Stripe, provide your details like name, bank account and verification. Transfers usually take 2 to 3 business days and require a minimum of $50 to move to your bank. Watch for the deposit. It may take up to 3 days depending on your bank. After that, open the Cash App, tap the banking, which is $1, tap and choose the bank. Choose Add Bank. Enter the same accounts you used on Flip. Verification may involve micro deposits. Once verified, tap Withdraw in Cash App, enter your desired amount and choose Standard or Instant. And that's it. Your Flip earnings are now in your Cash App account. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more money tutorials, guys. And of course, check the description for links. Thanks for watching and see you next time.